Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. We did it. We made it to Saturday. We're on the last day of our weekly cleaning routine. So on Saturday we just do our daily cleaning and then we wash all the sheets. So everybody can take their own sheets off their beds and all I really have to do is wash them. So this bed just has the white sheets that go on it. So I do those first and I get them in the washing machine right away. So then hopefully by the time everything else is done, they are done washing and drying and they can get back on the bed. So then Sophia and I moved upstairs and we switched the sheets out on this bed. And then we moved into the kids' bedroom and changed their sheets out too. And then as far as like the sheets and comforters go, and then the mattress pads too, I just wash those once a month. So I include that in like my monthly cleaning. And then just every week we change the sheets on all the beds. And you know, if anybody is sick or anything like that, they'll get changed more often than once a week. But we definitely change all the sheets every week. So I don't know if you guys have bunk beds at your house, but it is tricky to change the sheets on them. So it's best to have two people and just pull the whole bed out from the wall, one person on one side, the other on the other side, and just work together to try and get it done because it can be pretty tricky. But I think Sophia and I have it down pretty well to get the sheets done on the top and the bottom really well. Once we got all the sheets off the beds and in the wash, I just went into the bathroom and wiped down the counters and wiped off the toilet and the floor. Nick was helping the kids start working on their Valentine boxes for their party at school. And then once I got done in the bathroom, I went out and helped them. Can I see your box?
Oh my gosh.
Cute. Amelia. Now, as you can tell by the lighting, it is after supper. It's dark. We got busy in the afternoon and that was okay. We just got the bed made before Amelia went to bed, and I had my helper there helping me out to make it a little bit easier, making sure everything was nice and smooth.
that she said that.
Yeah.
Hi.
Pet, pet, pet.
Woo, show Sophia the tiger.
Hi. Hi.
Say hi. Hi.
Mom. Okay. All right, Sophia. Is that everything?
Tiger. What am I about to tell you?
Here, babe. Ready?
Make sure she doesn't.
Really